Hello guys, welcome to my channel code&chill. In this video we will discuss top 5 VS Code commands that every developer should know, and it will be really useful to learn them for easy debugging and coding purpose. So the first one would be to open up command palette, which would be CTRL SHIFT P. So if we hit up the command, we can see like we get lots of different commands and shortcuts. So you can add your own custom shortcuts and use the existing shortcuts as well for different purposes. Like this is for the view section, and if you could, this is the terminal section modifications. And similarly for Python, we have a different set of commands. So it is very customizable and it can be used in a lot of other purposes as well. It will make your VS Code experience really enjoyable with this configuration. So command palette is the one you should know. Second would be quick file navigation, which is Control P. So if we hit up this, so this shows the list of files which are currently in my working project directory. So you can see it. I have different Python files, some pip file.log, and all these different files. Whatever files you have in the current project, it will list out all the files. You can go to those files by selecting the different tabs over here. Similarly, I can go to main.py. So over here you can have a overview of all the directory structure. So if we go to our commands, so second one was quick file navigation. Third would be integrated terminal. So it is a very useful tool. Since you don't need to open up command prompts from outside the project, you can simply open up the command prompt inside VS Code itself using control and the tick sign, which is just adjacent to the numerical 1 in the keyboard. So if you hit it up, so as you can see, it opened up a command prompt and you can simply run all your commands over here like you used to do. This opens up a PowerShell. So fourth would be the go-to definition, which is F12. Suppose I am in one of the project folders, project files of one of my malware scanners. So if we have Shannon entropy, this is one of the functions, and if I go to the usage of this, you can see it is used in one of the major functions of scan file. So if I simply select this function and click F12, it will go to the definition of this function. So you can right click also, but this is one of the shortcuts. So going to the definition is F12, and the last command would be to search across the projects. Like this entire project has a lot of functions and different files, different variables and all. Suppose we have a variable, suppose we have a function over here, read prefix, and I want to search it in entire project, but I don't know it is present in this malware scanner. So I can go to this tab or simply Control Shift F. So this tab over here will let me do a global search for any variable or function name. For example, read prefix. So as you can see, it gave two instances of the search results. First was the definition, the def read prefix, and second was the usage. So this is one of the most important and used commands that I personally use. And similarly, these are the must know commands for all the developers. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.